Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify MakerDAO votes on Oasis, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Oasis platform at oasis.app. Once the page loads, click on the Connect Wallet button located in the top right corner. Select your preferred wallet from the list provided, such as MetaMask or Wallet Connect. After connecting your wallet, make sure you have some ETH for gas fees if necessary. Now, locate the Governance tab on the Oasis homepage. Click on the Governance tab to access MakerDAO's governance features. Scroll down to find the voting section specifically for MakerDAO. You will see a list of active proposals available for voting. Select the proposal you want to verify by clicking on its title. You'll now be redirected to a page displaying details about the selected proposal. Review the proposal summary, including the core changes and any relevant discussions. Next, take note of the voting options available for this proposal. Head over to the Votes section to view real-time voting results. To verify the validity of existing votes, click on the Vote Count tab. Here, you will see a breakdown of the votes cast, including those in favor and against. For more detailed information, check the transaction history linked to the votes. You can follow the transaction links to view additional specifics on etherscan.io. This will provide you with the transaction IDs and wallet addresses involved in the voting. Cross-reference the data to ensure transparency and authenticity. Return to the Oasis platform to see how your own voting aligns with the community. Once you've gathered all necessary information, you can make informed decisions on future proposals. Confirm your understanding of MakerDAO's governance structure for better participation moving forward. These steps will help you effectively verify MakerDAO votes on Oasis. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.